Did you know that Measure P sets aside 12% of revenue on an annual basis to invest in competitive grants for nonprofit organizations that support and expand access to arts and cultural programming? Before the city can grant this money out to the community, we need your help in developing a citywide cultural arts plan. Fresno is home to a vibrant arts community and rich, diverse cultural groups. Measure P was designed to support and uplift these communities and reach even more Fresnans. The Cultural Arts Plan will identify needs in the arts and cultural arts community, prioritize outcomes and investments, and develop a vision and goals for the future of Fresno arts and cultural programs that are reflective of the cultural, demographic, and geographic diversity of Fresno. This process will include robust community engagement. We're launching a survey, hosting multiple in-person and virtual community meetings, interviewing cultural arts practitioners, local artists, and more. Be on the lookout for how to make your voice heard.